Welcome back to Crypto Front. This is the front line where we are fighting for financial freedom. We are going to be taking a look at ICP Internet Computer Protocol one more time. Yes, I know that sentiment is bad right at this point, but I've always said throughout the whole of this week that I'm very bullish on ICP and the rest of the market, to be honest with you. And there are things that we are seeing while they're right, which are indicating that yeah, there is a bounce which is usually going to be coming right. I've said about the scenario of like $5, you know, people drawing this not invest head and shoulders, but head and shoulders pattern itself, and saying that ICP is headed to something like $5. I've made it very much clear that it's not so fast for me. I think that we need to see much more bearish signs. Right at this point, I'm seeing a massive support level which ICP can be, bouncing from, and to be honest, the rest of the market right there. Right? So before we get into more detail, I want to kindly ask you to help me spread the video just by delicately tapping the like button. It really helps the YouTube algorithm, and people looking for ICP Internet Computer Protocol updates will now be able to find this video much more easily. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel just yet, I want to encourage you to do so, really, because I do TA on ICP and a number of altcoins on a regular basis. I don't want to run my mouth too much, so let's get back to the daily time frame. And yes, you are seeing here, this is a very long accumulation pattern here. Why of accumulation pattern? You gotta deal with it. There's just, one way or the other, the thing is gonna pump, right? But you have to go through things like this on the market, right? So yes, we took more than 600 days to accumulate. I mean, you know the story, to be honest. And then we are breaking out. I look at this just like a normal back test, right? A back test of this major support level here, which was acting as resistance prior. But I still think that we are going to be bouncing here. I mean, before we break this support level, let me quickly cut the numbers there. We are looking at something like, it was what, $9.50 and all the way down to something like $8.40 right there. I think this will hold the support level very well for ICP, and we'll see an imminent bounce right there. My price target for this bull cycle is something like $221. Have I deviated from that? No, I haven't. But there are a few signs that we are seeing right now with ICP, especially on the 4-hourly time frame and the rest of the market. To be honest, I mean, take a look at this. On the 4-hourly time frame, we've already started printing some higher lows here on the RSI, whilst the price is making lower lows. So this is bullish divergence. That's great. I mean, short term, it's really cool. We want to see that follow through with maybe something like volume. But then again, I think that even the rest of the market is indicating that there is a bounce that is due right there. We are even seeing BTC sitting at a very critical level, you can see here, and also it's printing this bullish divergence thing here on the RSI. So I mean, as long as BTC is looking good, we are looking at support levels right around 67,000. I mean, it goes as low as something like $66,000 here for BTC. So yep, BTC is looking like it's going to experience a bounce. That's also translating to ICP experiencing a bounce as well in this market, right? So yeah, not only are we just talking about those things, we are also literally putting our money where our mouth is. And just as I've been saying, that I look at the whole market and I'm seeing like very bullish signs right across. So I've been posting a lot of trades late in my page, and like for example, Filecoin, this is what AVAX, this is what SNX, and the other one was what I think the last one was Miro, and stuff like that. So I've posted 4 trade alerts, and obviously we are just taking action. We are not just saying the market is bullish, this and that. So if we are wrong, okay, it means we lose money. If we are right, it means there is more money in the bank, right? So if you want those trade alerts with exact take profits, leverage, basically I'm gonna be your guy, right, doing those trades. So you can feel free to join the Patreon. But getting back to the ICP price chart here, as I was just mentioning, that I don't see $5 coming in right at this point. I still think we need to see maybe like a huge drop in terms of like this support level, and then from then maybe we can probably expect a scenario like this here, because this being major support, I would expect a scenario like probably a drop like this. Maybe it catches everybody by surprise, but I also expect a back test of this. Now in this situation, I would have to make a decision to say, what, is the price going to continue going down here? So should I sell here? But we haven't even gotten to that point right at this point. So yeah, still very much bullish on ICP. As I was mentioning, that the rest of the market is really at a critical point in terms of like ready to go. I was looking at the total market cap of altcoins, which obviously exclude Ethereum and BTC, and they are indicating a fantastic structure. I mean, take a look at this upward sloping support here. and we are looking like we are having a bounce already. Let me do this. We're having a bounce on that trend line specifically, and we have actually seen this kind of price section before. Let me go maybe to the daily time frame and show you how it was in the last bull cycle. This looks like this moment exactly here. So yeah, I mean, great things could actually be coming here for the price, and I haven't lost my bullish touch right at this point. I still think that we're looking good. Let's just go ahead and try to play with this fractal here, right? So you are breaking out like this. Even, you know, it's looking very much likely that we're gonna see like a huge pop in these altcoins by this. So ICP is obviously included in this, and what is structure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Even from a textbook perspective, it just looks like a normal Wyckoff accumulation. Not, I'm saying Wyckoff Elliott wave count, right? So I mean, this is the scenario that I'm waiting. That's why I'm sounding super bullish here on the market and ICP in general. So see you at $221. Take really good care of yourselves. Remember, none of what I say is financial advice, and you shouldn't be buying or selling anything because of anything I sell, right? But if you like the content, don't forget to delicately tap the like button, share the video with your friends and family, and then I would have to see you on the very next one. Bye.